Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track DHL Courier with your tracking number. Really easy and simple. Go to DHL website, okay? You can find this on Google, really easy and simple. And then come here on delivery services. And under shipment tracking, you'll see this option right here that says a live tracking. And you'll be redirected to this page where you just need to input your tracking number, okay? Your shipment number. Put this in and you can go ahead and search that up and it will show you exactly where your delivery currently is and you'll be able to track your shipment. So easy and simple, guys. And you'll be able to see your current status and you'll also receive all the important related, detailed information about your parcel in the next step. And if you are not at home, you can also, of course, adjust the delivery date or place to your needs in the preferred parcel services section. Really easy and simple. You can also use the DHL app. So I hope this guide was helpful to you. If it was, consider smashing the like button, guys, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.